Are you tired of trying to eat confusing snacks that just make no sense how to eat? Then maybe it's time you try the no-bake energy bites, or buff bites. Just a few ingredients, and you'll be eating these bad boys in no time. You will need 3/4 cup oat cereal, half a cup almond flour, 1 scoop protein powder, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup peanut butter, 1/3 cup agave, half a teaspoon vanilla extract. You're gonna start by first taking your 3/4 cup cereal and grind. Once you're finished grinding, place it in a bowl and add your next 3 dry ingredients. Stir. Once finished, add your peanut butter, agave, vanilla, and mix well. This is a perfect opportunity to get your hands dirty. Hey, you're a buff dude or girl. You can handle it. Now, roll into approximate 1-inch balls. Put some parchment paper on a plate, cover, and freeze for up to 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes are up, go ahead and sprinkle a little cinnamon on top of those tasty buff bites. And now, you're ready to consume. Go ahead and have the leftovers in the fridge. We hope you enjoy this easy no-bake recipe. Buff Dude Bites. Oh yeah.